Today you will learn how to create a SwiftUI workout summary view. However, we will not use H-stack, it's not dynamic, and on small screens the text gets cut off. And of course, no geometry reader. Therefore, there is another way to do this that is fully dynamic, automatically fits the screen, and lets you insert anything you want between the text. But first, let's start with UI elements. The progress view we have created many times in previous tutorials, so no need to explain it again. But this one have one more feature, is animating the value when it's on the screen. And therefore, we'll wrap the title inside a soft capsule background and add a subtle black shadow to lift it up, so it feels slightly higher than the text. Same with capsule info, this one only text and background, it is simple. Now, let's talk about something very important, and we'll take this UI elements to the next level, whether you like it this way or not, but we can make it better and feel alive, because always small details matter to make something perfect. That's why we need this simple function. We'll slide the item from the bottom and with delay to make them slide one by one. This make our element feels modern and clean. But everything we have done is useless if we don't create the right layout to handle these views together. Therefore, with custom layout and size that fits. The first part imagines arranging the elements next to each other like an H-stack and calculates how much space and height all the elements need. But the second part places the elements on the screen for real, creates the lines, and if there isn't enough space in the current line, it moves to the next line, just like normal text. And here we are. Add each line separately with slide animation.